Suzy Rhoades here with PassMasters. I thought I would talk to you about what to do if you failed your Securities exam. First off, I want to say to you that passing this test, although important, has nothing to do with how successful you will be in this industry. I believe that 100%. I love teaching students just like you how to pass these exams because I love taking tests. That does not mean that I would be a good salesperson. I would be a horrible salesperson. So it's not fair, but it's life. I constantly try to teach this to my children, that life is full of unfair things, unfortunately, and we just have to sometimes do them. So this is one of those things that you just have to do. And know that if it takes you more than one attempt to pass your Securities exam, who cares? You would not be the first person that had to take your test more than once. And if you are someone in this boat, let me help you. I have spent my entire life helping students like you. Now, somebody asked me along the way, did you create PassMasters only to help people who had studied other vendors first? Gosh, no. I created with my brother PassMasters to help people pass their exams on the first attempt. Do I have a lot of students that have studied other vendors first? Yes. And why did they end up with me? Because they failed the test. I want people to find me first. I don't want them to have to go through that. But we're relatively new. We used to be TesTeachers, and then we sold TesTeachers and we had a non-compete and we couldn't be in the market for a while. But we're back. Here we are, ready to help people like you. So what do? Take my course? Well, yes, of course, that's what I'm going to recommend. What I have done, I've been doing this, for a very long time. I started helping my parents when I was just a little kid. So I've been writing textbooks with my dad since I was in high school. So here we are, right? I'm obviously much older than I used to be. And I've been teaching for, over 20 years. So people like you are who I love most. I love building your confidence. I love showing you how the test is going to try to trick you. So I have built programs that have the information that you need to know to pass the test broken down into easily digestible topics. Instead of covering everything, for example, in section 1 of the Series 65, I take it down into little topics. So we cover a topic, we have a PDF, we watch a video, and then we do a topic quiz. And then we go to another topic. And then at the end of all of the topics in a section, we have key facts, answers to test questions that you must know. So you watch that video, you listen to that video, and then you take a section exam. So one of the things that makes PassMasters different than everybody else is, quite honestly, it's me. So it's me. I love to help you understand. So once again, I'm not saying all students that come to PassMasters have already failed the test. That is not true. I want all students to use PassMasters to pass the exam on the very first attempt. But if you are someone who has already taken it and had the unfortunate experience of not passing, think of it this way. Now you know what to expect when you go there to take the test. You expect to be nervous. Yes, students oftentimes have testing anxiety, but at least you've gone through it one time. So you know the procedure for getting into the room, you know what the exam is going to look like on the computer, you know how to mark questions for review, you know at the end of the exam you can go back to questions, you can go back to number 1, you can go to those that you mark for review. You have some strategies already from having taken the exam already. So that's helpful. So let me help you. I'm here for you. PassMasters was created to help people like you pass your exam. I hope to have you as a student soon. If you have any questions related to this video, just ask me in the comments below. You can check out PassMasters course offerings through a link found in this video's description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. Good luck.